Hey everybody, so we're doing something outside of my wheelhouse. I had a couple of requests, and we're working through a bunch of requests right now, but I had a couple of requests for Cherry by Harry Styles. This song would never be on my radar, but since it was requested, I took a look at it. And it's not a difficult song, as it really does just do the same thing over and over again. But there's some reach to it, and that's the hardest part. So let's get right into it. So it's all going to be finger picked. So that's the pattern we're using. So low and high together, and then so that's our pattern. So we got three chords. We got D, B minor, G. Those are our three chords, but we're doing them in a different way. And then there's a bridge there with a little bit of something different, but we'll get to that later. So the D. So every chord we're in, we're using that same route walk down. And then when you're B minor, same thing. So we combine that with the finger picking. You do the D twice. Now the D's the easiest because there's no stretch. Then you go to the B minor, so you're doing 2-1 open, and you got to reach the fourth with your pinky. And then on a second. So what you're doing, we'll take that finger off for now. So it's, and then you're laying this finger down, and then you're bridging back up to hit that open. Now, the hardest part, the G. So the way I've been doing it, the thumb and the middle finger on third and third, low middle, and then you index on the fourth, pointer on the second, then you gotta change shape. So when you change shape, you go index and pinky on the third and third, middle low, and your pointer on first, and then left pointer. And then you put it all together nice and slow. And so on and so on. Now I did experiment leaving the middle string open the whole way through. And you just hit the root note. So your thumb goes on a second. And then thumb up to the third. And it does work. It's a little bit of a cheat if you want to do it that way. It's really up to you. So we do that a whole bunch of times. I don't know how many, lots. And then you get to a verse where you're basically just, you're not doing the rundowns, the walk downs. You're just really doing a D. To the B minor. To the G. And you you go to the A. This is the bridge. And then it's a quick G, F sharp, E, and then right back into the... So that's it. There's more at the very ending, but we're not gonna bother with that. It's like the song ends and then there's some other crap at the end. We're not gonna worry about that. We're just gonna do this part. That's good enough. So that's Harry Styles' Cherry. Really not my wheelhouse. But it's all requests for the next while. So practice patience, have fun. We'll see you guys next time.